This block meets the criteria.
Okay, I'm logging it now. The next composite sample is ready for review. The machining process is nearly complete.
It looks perfect. The specs match the Optimus design.
Right there, just a little more off that edge.
Okay, the laser stabilized. We're within the microtolerance now.
If we adjust the timeline here, we can optimize the milling.
Let me see that. Tap on the material stress points.
The predictive model suggests a 15% efficiency gain.
Rerouting the supply chain now.
Confirmed, the Gen 3 workflow is updating.
The tolerances look good on the Gen 3 segments.
Yes, the thermal stabilizers are holding steady at 25% completion.
We have positive contact across the base.
Confirmed. The hip actuator points are perfectly aligned with the schematic.
The titanium shipment is clear for Sector 4.
Confirmed. Rerouting the composite sheets now.
The digital roadmap indicates the next phase begins with these titanium segments.
And the stress tests are scheduled for Tuesday.
Check the alignment on the T intersection, please.
Confirmed. Marking the actuator point now. This is the precise location for the actuator.
Marked.
And the upper alignment point for the rib segment.
Follow the secondary laser guide there. Verification complete on the pelvis connector. Tolerance is within spec.
Good. Let's shift the grid to the upper ribs.
This alignment looks correct for the shoulder actuators.
Confirmed, the laser calibration is spot on. The housing is seated.
Good. Now the collars. Watch the alignment on Sector 3.
Confirmed. Applying final torque. HLDR A3, PELVS B2. The laser precision is excellent. Now preparing the spine and finger modules for etching.
These finger joints look ready for staging.
Yes, the system updated the assembly sequence. We start with the spinal column next.
Verification complete on the lower spine.
Moving to the next housing. Readings are stable.
We need the next set of limbs ready.
Grabbing the right arm now. Gantry is clear.
Actuator secured. Torque checks green.
Good. Moving to the next unit.
That should seat correctly now.
Yes, the connection is secure. Starting the servo pulses.
Wrist rotation check complete. Now flexing digits 1 through 5.
It looks chaotic, but the AI coordinates every movement perfectly.
The precision is remarkable.
The assembly line feed shows a bottleneck in Unit 4.
Adjusting parameters now. We need to optimize the flow before the next cycle.
Increase torque slightly. There we are. The alignment is perfect now.
Calibration sequence initiated. Adjusting grip pressure by 2%.
Pressure sensors holding steady on the left side. Balance metrics look good.
The Gen 3s are compensating flawlessly for the tilt. Impressive stability.
First, grip the handle firmly. Now slowly mimic the stirring action.
Very good.
Next, position your hand on the cucumber and begin slicing.
Stability at full extension looks good.
Agreed. Joint temperatures are nominal. We can proceed with the next sequence.
Adjust the angle slightly. Accuracy on Unit 7 is up by 15% after the update. Noted. Let's monitor the next sequence.
Minor adjustment on the y-axis there.
Noted. The assembly accuracy is improving significantly.
Reposition the gripper slightly to the left, Unit 3. We need a tighter fit on that joint.
Noted. The success rate improved by 10% after the adjustment. Look at the elbow joints during the spin.
I see it. Minimal vibration, well within tolerance.
Optimus units, begin voice module synchronization.
Confirm acknowledgement.
Latency stable at 20 milliseconds. Proceed.
Morning, Joan. Is that the new helper?
It is. I highly recommend one. He's marvelous with the groceries.
A little faster on the chop.
Perfect. Now mix at medium speed.
Here is your toy. Be careful.
All right, easy now. A little to the left.
Hold it steady. Crane, lower it down.
So I sent over the revised projections this morning.
Got it. Did you notice the new Optimus model patrolling the East Wing?
Yeah, seems efficient. Anyway, about the projections.
Look at that stability.
It's barely breaking a sweat with the jaws of life. This changes everything for rescue operations.
Precision is within acceptable parameters. Proceed to the next layer.
Okay, status is green on Section 4, Charlie.
Confirmed. Let's move to the next sequence.
Clear the area, we're bringing them out.
Medic standing by at the perimeter.